Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make this granny triangle, moss stitch granny triangle using single crochet, moss stitch again. Okay, so this is another version of the triangle. I hope you like it and you'll try it, and without further ado we'll get started. I'm using 5.5mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn. We'll start with the slip knots, and I'm gonna chain 3. I'm gonna make in the third chain from the hook 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and I'm gonna join to the beginning chain. So this is the first row of the triangle complete. Now row 2, I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna work in the chain 1 spaces. So to know the chain 1 spaces, because in the first row they're not very clear, they're usually the small loops or V-stitches in between the big stitches. So over here, so I have chain 1 and single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1, and in the first corner, which was the previous chain 2, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 1, and again in the previous chain 1 space, 1 single crochet, chain 1, in the corner again, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, and in the previous chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, and in the last corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, and here this is the beginning row of the chain 1. I'm gonna slip stitch, and this is round 2 complete. I'm gonna go further. So now it gets easier with row 3, chain 1 again, and the chain 1 spaces are now much wider and clearer. So single crochet in the next space, chain 1, in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, in the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, in the space, single crochet, chain 1, in the next space, single crochet, chain 1, in the next corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, and I've got 1 space, single crochet, chain 1 and join to the beginning stitch. So basically what you need to know, in the 3 corners you make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In the previous chain 1 spaces you make 1 single crochet and a chain 1. We'll make 1 more row to clarify. Again, the written pattern is available, linked in the description box. Chain 1 in the next space, single crochet, chain 1 in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1 in the next space, single crochet, chain 1, next space, single crochet, chain 1, 1 more space, single crochet, chain 1. Now the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1. We repeat, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, and again in the next space. In the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, and again in the next 2 spaces, single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet, chain 1 and join to the beginning chain with a slip stitch. And this is how it is so far. This is how it is with another color. I hope you find the tutorial easy to follow and clear. Again, the written pattern is also detailed, short but detailed, to help you achieve this pattern. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And until next time, take care, bye-bye.